Are you looking for the best RV vent cover? I have compiled a list of top 5 best RV vent covers this year. These are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Camco RV Roof Vent Cover. The Camco RV roof vent cover might be simple, but it's a real standout. Made by one of the biggest names in RV products, this Camco cover is designed for high-flow ventilation and is made out of UV-stabilized resin with removable louvers. You can take the louvers off for easier cleaning, and the UV-stabilized material ensures you'll get great longevity, even when your RV is parked in the sun uncovered. Aerodynamic shaping keeps air flowing, and the built-in insect screen lets you enjoy fresh air without pests. And you can even keep the vent cover's louvers open when it's raining without getting your interior wet. All of the mounting hardware you need for installation is included too. Installation is simple, and once this vent cover is in place it lasts quite well. However, do keep in mind that the white color of this cover can let some light in and won't block it entirely. Number 2. Camco Universal RV Roof Vent Cover. If you want to get a long-lasting RV vent cover without spending a whole lot, then you'll love the value offered by the Camco Universal RV Roof Vent Cover. Made to be compatible with most popular RV roof vents, this cover measures 14 x 14 inches in size and works with ventline vents made before 2008 and Elixir vents made starting in 1994. Each cover is made out of impact-resistant plastic and then covered with a protective clear coat, ensuring yours is tough enough to survive just about anything. It won't rust, and it's low profile to decrease drag and improve your RV's aerodynamics. Installation is a relatively simple process, and all of the hardware you'll need is included. You only need your own tools to get the job done. You may run into some issues with the installation instructions, though. They aren't perfectly clear, so you may find some troublesome spots while you're working your way through the necessary steps. Additionally, more complex RV vents and fans may require you to remove extra assembly components to get the cover in place. Number 3. MaxxAir Black Vent Cover. Frequently find yourself camped out in unexpected weather? With the MaxxAir Black Vent Cover installed on your RV's roof, you won't have to worry about an exposed fan or your camper's interior, as this RV vent cover helps keep you nicely ventilated but is impressively strong, and it's specifically built to be super tough in the face of weather. It'll prevent heat buildup and let odors escape through your roof, all while its high-density polyethylene material keeps rain, snow, and sunlight out. The cover is made with maximum UV protection, too, and you'll like the exclusive MaxxAir Zero Leak mounting system, which doesn't require you to drill any holes into your RV roof. However, this vent cover isn't completely universal, and it isn't recommended for use with high-powered ventilators. And while you won't have to drill into your roof, you may have to drill into your fan's components. Number 4. Fan-Tastic Ultra Breeze Vent Cover. If you've got a high-powered ventilator on board your camper, you're going to want to take a look at the Fan-Tastic Ultra Breeze Vent Cover. While there are plenty of universal fit covers that won't work with high-powered ventilators, this one will, and it's an RV vent cover that can deliver up to 75% more airflow than its competitors too. This powerful product fits most 14 x 14 inch roof vents and high-powered ventilators, offering great versatility. And its high-density polyethylene construction features UV protection to prevent problems like fading and cracking due to sun exposure. All of the hardware you'll need for installation is included. While this cover is a great choice for most campsites and conditions, it can let rain in if you keep the cover open during wet weather. Anything underneath the vent may get damp or wet. Additionally, this RV vent cover isn't impact resistant, so it can shatter and break if hit with a lot of force. Number 5. Heng's RV Roof Vent Cover. Heng's RV Roof Vent Cover is a great option if you don't mind letting a little outdoor sunlight into your camper's interior. This black vent cover is a bit translucent, which means it doesn't completely block out the sunlight, and that can be a perk for some RV owners. It's compatible with both Ventline and Elixir roof vents, and it should fit most of your standard 14 x 14 inch vents. Just double check that the crank-up style and hinges work with your exact make and model. If it's a fit, you'll find that it installs quite easily and works smoothly. However, do know that, while it can be installed by one person, it's a lot easier if you use two to get the job done. Also, keep in mind when you're choosing this RV vent cover that it doesn't include extras. You won't get the entire vent assembly or required hardware, it's just the cover itself. Additionally, because of its dark color, it can bring a little extra heat into your RV on hot sunny days.